My favorite part is just making people feel confident when they leave, making sure that, their daily lives are positive with their beauty, and just making sure they have great hair at the end of the day.
I enjoy the setting, the atmosphere.
My favorite part about working here, I love the team here. We all work together to get the best outcome for our patients or clients, whatever that may be.
We come in, we're ready, we know what we're coming to do. We come in to make a difference in a person's life.
We like being able to provide our patients with confidence again.
The relationship that I build with the ones that come in every couple of weeks, seeing them that often, it's nice.
I think my favorite part is just interacting with the patients and helping them achieve what they're looking to achieve.
Just relationship-wise, you build relationships with these clients and learn about their children and their grandchildren, and hair makes all the difference in their lives.
You can't spill hair without HRI.